What's up everyone, it's Serious Adventures here, back with another video. And today we're going to be unboxing the Hunt Enduro wide wheel set, as well as getting a sound test, and we're going to be weighing them as well. So let's get started. So let's open these up. Now these can be a pain sometimes to get out, but what I suggest to do is to take out the side packing first. So take those two out, then you'll be left with just the wheels, and they'll come right out. So here's the rear wheel. Set that there gently. Some more packing, and then the front wheel here. So once you're done going through the struggle of unboxing, you're left with the wheel set along with extra spindles and valves. I'm going to be running a Cushcore tire insert, so they require their own special valves, so I'm going to be using those. But let's get into a sound check here. Not too bad for a $425 wheel set. 5 degrees of engagement is really good, especially for this price. Definitely recommend Hunt wheels. I went with the Enduro wide because I want to be ready for anything I kind of face out there. I'm running an insert just in case as well. You never know. Yeah, so let's get into weighing these. I said I wanted to go with a beefier rim just in case. So let's see the weight on these. So first up, we'll do the rear wheel. This one's a little bit heavier just because of the hub. So let's see. So in kilograms, it comes in at 1.12 kilograms, which translates to 2.47 pounds. So a little bit on the heavier side, but I'm okay with that because I wanted that beefier rim. Now let's check out the front wheel. So the front wheel comes in at 2.26 pounds, which translates to 1.02 kilograms. So again, on the heavier side, but I'm okay with that. I have a really light frame. I'm trying to keep the bike at around 30 pounds, but we'll see with these wheels along with the inserts. But yeah, that's going to conclude today's video of the Hunt Enduro wide wheel set. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.